you don't wanna be high like me. Never really know why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster all alone.
Alright, I'll be honest. I don't know why people say they need to poop after Taco Bell. I feel fucking great.
Yeah, same. Nothing like beef and beans in the all-new quesalupa to get you feeling limber for some yoga. How you feeling, Janet?
Oh, I feel great.
Right.
Let's just get this yoga class over with.
Yeah, okay, class. It's me, Yoga Bob, and I'm gonna be your yoga instructor. Okay? Okay. All right. Before we begin, I just have a couple rules before we do yoga. Okay? Rule number 1: no noises during poses. Okay? Or we're gonna have problems. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Now, rule number 2: have fun. Or we're gonna have problems. All right? Yeah. All right. Yeah. This first pose is called child's pose. So, follow my lead. You okay, class? Now I just want you all to hold, yeah, hold, and exhale on 3, 2, 1. You okay? We can talk about it. We don't have to, but we can talk about it. Now I must remind you all of rule number 1, which was no noises during poses, so please, okay? All right.
Damn, Janet, what was that?
You gonna be all right there, Janet?
Okay, let's do pose number 2. This one is called warrior pose. So follow my lead. You all right? Okay, class, now inhale and hold. Now exhale all your demons. Right now. You okay?
Oh, God.
Someone here made a poop. And I will not continue this class until one of you tells me who made the poop. Now was it you, Mark? Nor was it you, Hillary? Now was it you, Janet? Oh, I knew it was you, Janet.
Oh, damn, Janet, you stink.
Fuck you. Now, Janet, because you insist on making so much noises during poses, we're going to have you do plank position, Janet. Can you do that, Janet? Now, if you can't do this in pure silence, well, then you are lost, Janet. You are lost. Oh, now, isn't that nice, Janet? How nice that is when we're not making noises during poses, Janet? Now, isn't that peaceful, so serene, Janet?
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here.
What do you have to say for yourself, Janet? Oh!